Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to construct a frequency polygon using Excel with given class intervals. Here I have some data, pulse rate for women. I have 20 data and I already had the maximum and the minimum figure out and also 4 class intervals. And I need to build a frequency polygon, so I need class midpoint and the frequency, because basically a frequency polygon is a graph of class midpoint and frequency. So the class midpoint, just the average of lower class limit and upper class limit of the class interval. So I just do this, equal to the lower class limit plus the upper class limit divided by 2 for every single one of them, so I use the fill handle. And the frequency would be can be generated by the frequency function. Use Control A. Data array. Bin array is the upper class limit. And then I go back to the frequency bar and I do Control Shift Enter. Now to plot the frequency polygon, I need these 4 sets of order pairs. This is X, this is Y, this is X, and this is Y. But I need 2 more at the end. So I would need to construct another columns of class midpoint and frequency to be used to produce the graph. So what I do would be the first one is a 0 frequency and the last is a 0 frequency. The middle frequency would be what I have find from the original copy, and I paste it here by pasting the value only. Okay, and then this class midpoint would be this copy, but in the middle. Again, paste the values only. We don't want a formula. Now the class midpoint of this dummy class at the end should be a class width away from the lowest one. So it'll be 64.5 minus 10, because we see that the class width is 10. So it'll be 54.5, and this would be 104.5. So we have new class midpoint column and a new frequency column with 0 at the 2 end, and we are ready to do the frequency polygon. So to do that, I select the frequency column with the 0 at the 2 end, and I do insert chart, line chart, the first one. See, this is the frequency polygon. I just need to adjust it by deleting this series, and then select the layout number 10 in Excel, so that it had the title, it has the X and Y label. So the title is frequency polygon. Make it smaller. And axis title, this is frequency. And this is actually the class midpoint. So that's the class midpoint is the pulse array. And then I need to adjust this horizontal axis label to reflect the class midpoint. So I select the chart and I right click, and then I click on select data, added the horizontal axis label. I need to select this as input, the one with the dummy entry at the 2 end, and I say enter, and I say OK. So see how the class midpoint become the x-axis label. Delete this, and here's my frequency polygon pulse rate for women. So lastly, to finish up the frequency polygon, I need to add the marker to indicate the class midpoint. So I click on the line, and then I right click on Format Data Series, Marker Option, and I say Build In. Just select one shape that you want, and then can also select marker field. You can say you want to fill it with a solid fill and a certain color, and then close. So that complete the frequency polygon pulse array.